Hey guys, Harmony here. And you know, man, like I knew when I had to come back because I made this YouTube DLP video and it got taken down because it was harmful or dangerous content according to Google. We all know that. That's a part of the lore. And I just had this issue today where I was making a Red Dead 2 little video that went nowhere, but I wanted to download a song for the video, uh, to showcase my gameplay, and it it wasn't working. It was giving me this image. It was just got ear HTTP all over the place, man. So I had to do a little digging, uh, and that's when a little trusted source told me about Deno. Uh, and I mean, I'm gonna have everything in the description, so don't you worry. You're just gonna have to go to Deno, copy that little thing on the link. For if you're Linux, you could do that. If you're Mac, you could do that, or Windows, you do that too. You just copy it, and then you open up PowerShell and you paste it in just like that. That's all you got to do. The next thing you're going to want to do is, as soon as that's done, you want to go to your this PC, this stuff, right? And you're going to get to that path, right? You're going to get to that string of like, here's where you are, here's where you are. You're going to copy that. You're going to copy Deno bin. You're going to copy that string, right? Of like the path. It's called the path, okay? That's what it is. And then you're going to go over here. You're going to go to environment variables. You're going to go on the search bar, type in environment variables, okay? And then you're going to find path, okay? And then you're going to open that up. You're going to hit edit, and then you're going to hit new, and then you're going to put Deno right in there, that path that you copied, Deno bin. And then after that, man, you're going to find your config folder. I'm sure you got one. Because if you, I mean, I showed how to make it, but we all know that video is in the ground because Google had to take it out back. And you will paste in impersonate Chrome, check formats, rm-cache-dir, whatever, and then 4. You're going to do that. You're going to place it right under the cookies, okay? And once you do that, you should be good to go. I mean, the results speak for themselves. It's the same video I was using from the first picture, and it's working no problem now, okay? And basically, we're good to go. We're good to go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. This recording's going really well, so I think it's going to be a one-take wonder. And if you have anything, drop them in the comments. I hope this video doesn't get taken down. If it does, I'll take the hits for you guys, man, because I know you guys got to get the information, the info. Hopefully this helped. Take it easy, guys. My name is Harmony, and this is my outro. I apologize for the lack of moving pictures. I already did all this stuff, and I just wanted to slack a little bit, but it's all good. It's probably working out better than when I usually do it. Take it easy. Harmony out.